I don't know if you could tell, but I was, even still, obviously I've seen them play this a bunch, but I'm always still, the percussion section in this song just makes it so intense, right? It's really what's going on. And if you even look, I was looking back there and you could see them, like, they were focused, they were locked in, they were enjoying themselves. They weren't, they weren't just sitting there like, oh, they were locked in, which is awesome to see there. That song really is sounding good there. So, our next song, we're gonna go from the super intense, super epic, we're gonna go a little bit more calm and relaxed. Our next song is called Midnight Sky. So this song is about the idea that just sometimes it's nice to just take a moment, take a breath, look up at the sky and just like, take a moment to relax. Sometimes it's hard with how busy everything is to take a moment to relax. This song is about, just staring up at the skies at night, looking up at the sky, the midnight sky, seeing the stars, seeing all that, and just taking a moment. So this is Midnight Sky.